Phillip Schofield has been among ITV's biggest stars for decades, fronting shows like This Morning, Dancing on Ice, Going Live, and The Cube. But there is speculation that the 61-year-old could be replaced on Dancing on Ice, as there have been talks of issues between him and fellow presenter Holly Willoughby. Phillip told The Sun, "The last few weeks haven't been easy for either of us. As I have said before, Holly is my rock. We're the best of friends, as always. She is an incredible support on screen, behind the scenes and on the phone. Holly has always been there for me, through thick and thin. And I've been there for her." Sweden wins Eurovision Song Contest 2023 with Tattoo by Loreen. With their friendship on the rocks, it has been reported that presenter Stephen Mulhern could be in the running to replace Phillip on Dancing on Ice. The catchphrase host stood in last year for an episode when Phillip had COVID, and fans couldn't help but praise the temporary change. One viewer wrote, "Stephen Mulhern needs to be presenting Dancing on Ice every week." He adds that's certainly something that's been missing. A second commented, "Phil will be worried about his position on Dancing on Ice tonight." Whereas another added, "Is this the end of Phil Dancing on Ice? Stephen Mulhern is smashing it and he has a better chemistry with Holly." Don't miss: Princess of Wales plays solo piano in surprise Eurovision appearance. Royal King Charles has regrets over Prince Harry's coronation invite. Explainer: Germany's Eurovision entry slammed as fans distracted by tight trousers. Cast, as well as catchphrase: Stephen is the face of In for a Penny and regularly appears on Ant and Dec's Saturday Night Takeaway. He is also set to host ITV's reboot of the popular game show Deal or No Deal that was presented by Noel Edmonds. Talking about his potential new Dancing on Ice role, a source said, "Stephen is a perfect fit and gets on brilliantly with Holly. He's long been regarded as the right man to take over and was sounded out by executives at the end of last year. He told friends he'd jump at the chance." According to the Daily Mail, the fallout is over whether Phillip told Holly about his brother Timothy facing child sex offence charges. The former police IT worker was convicted of 11 offences and is due to be sentenced on May 19. Dancing on Ice has already been given the green light for another season and is expected to return in early 2024.